Know your ABC. Hello children, today we will learn to recognize letter F. So sound of letter F is F, 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 F. F for flamingo, fish. F for fruit. Now children, can you see the capital letter F here? Let's tick it together. Yes, that's right. One more time, find the capital F and tick it. Correct. Very good. Last time, let's find capital F together and tick it. Right one. Good job. Are you able to find small f here? Let's tick it together. Yes, that's right. One more time. Can you find small f and tick it? Wow, that's right. Now last time. Let's find small f together. Yes, that's correct. Well done. Now children, can you spot the letter F in this box? Come, let's find it and tick it together. Okay, that's right. Very good. Can you find more F? Yes. One more small f. Can you see it? Yes, that's right. Now children, can you find capital F in this box? Let's tick it together. Yes, that's right. Can you see one more F? Very good. Can you find one more F? Yes, that's right. Good job. Now, children, we will tick the picture which starts with letter F. Can you find it in this box? Yes, that's right. F for frog. In this second box, can you find the picture? Yes, that's right. F for flamingo. Last one, can you find third picture starting with F? Yes, that's right. F for flower. Well done. Okay children, now we will spell the words that starts with letter F. Face, fan, frog, fire, fox, fly, fish, football, fire brigade, feather, flamingo, fingers, food, five, fork, fence. Okay children, bye. Good job.
Like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.